Hello friends, welcome to Family Farm Seaside Tips. Today we will discuss how to get TCs. We can get the TCs from this rare market. We will open the rare market and check the TCs rates. Go to products. For example, we check Serenum cherry. This is available in minimum 24 TCs. We can sell Serenum cherry on 21 TCs. So we go back. Here we show the Serenum cherries like this and go in the market. We put here the Serenum cherries from this market and then sell and get the TCs like this. For example, we go back and like this and this. And then we go to the market and put here the Serenum cherry. We know that there is less price 21. We can sell on 21 TCs and put on sale. Wait till 24 hours. This will be sold. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Happy farming.